Expanded metal's a pain to cut. Angle iron works, but it's slow. Freehand plasma works, but the arc keeps dropping out. Unless you do it like this. Now, this video mostly applies to contact start plasma cutters, but you may find it helpful anyway. Alright, here's an awesome diagram to demonstrate why it's so hard to cut expanded metal with a contact tip plasma cutter. From the side view, the expanded metal looks like this. It's jagged, it's got sharp points. On one side, the points are sharper than the other. And the tip itself has like a cross on the end so that the side section looks like this. When you try to drag it across the edges, it snags. I mean, it seems like they're ramps, but you gotta remember there's holes in here. The whole tip will drop into the hole and get snagged up. The arc goes out, and then you've got to pick it up, line it up, restart it, and do it again. My theory is if I set the edge of the cup on the top of the flat bar and slide it down while keeping the tip in contact with the flat bar, it'll clear the expanded metal and still be close enough to cut through. Let's try it out. Those are pretty ugly welds, but kind of globby, but I think they'll do it for what I need them to do. Okay, at this point I should be able to clamp this guide to the expanded metal, rest the cup on the torch on the top of the bar, keep the contact tip in contact with the bar, pull the trigger, get an arc, and drag. So let's try it out. Well, that weld didn't hold. Alright, let's try that again. Alright, now let's try it with the jig. It wasn't like butter. Let's test it out. I think 1 tablespoon will be enough. And there you have it. Clean, easy, straight cuts with a contact start plasma cutter. If you know an easier, better, faster way, I'd love to hear about it. I'm still figuring this stuff out.